In simple words, we can define display ads as an effective and popular format of digital advertising. Some of the key popular categories are: first one is the image ads, second one is the rich media ads, and third one is the video ads. Apart from that, we are all pretty much aware that currently searching for new ways to acquire and to reach potential customer has become one of the main challenging thing, and most of the companies are using some of the lucrative method of advertising. So in that context, you can include even the display ads, which is pretty much lucrative method of attracting the customers by using rich visual media in the form of images, text, and videos. And the main agenda of having this sort of ads are in terms of boosting the traffic to your website. And display advertising can be spotted in designated corners of different social media platforms and web pages. And you can find them as banner ads consisting of both the text as well as the graphics. In order to stand out in the highly competitive and volatile markets, most of the advertising campaigns use an attractive combination of the text, images, videos, and GIFs. And we can also incorporate a lot of design pertaining to different languages, sizes, and shapes. Thus, it should have that sort of engaging factor in those ads. And these display advertisement campaigns are usually charged on uh, cost per click basics, and that is what it means. Whenever any person or a user clicks on a particular ad, you will be charged an amount solely based on your bidding strategy. Apart from these display ads, there are some of the other retargeting campaign that are basically used in it. And let us first focus our attention towards first type of ads, that is basically called as a ads. As you can observe in the screen, I have taken an example of Burger King, wherein which they have started to use this sort of image content, which clearly indicates that what are the main key feature of their products, and it carries a lot of information about the products, the business, or the services, whatever you are planning to offer to your end users. And only the key factors needs to be addressed in those ads. And when we come across rich media ads, there is a combination of or you can call it as even the amalgamation of rich media uh, along with the text, image, audio, video, animations, and they usually try to use high definition uh, visual contents that are very much soothing for the eyes when any of your customer wants to have a look at the ads whichever you have designed. And next one is coming to the video ads. This is one of the commonly used sort of ads in both conventional as well as in case of digital media. We are all pretty much well versed in understanding what exactly the video ads are. If you are willing to throw a thought provoking a question with respect to communicating a message or to introduce a specific product or a services, all you need to do is to gain suitable knowledge and to develop a video content which should have a thorough appealing of videos and which should able to cover the entire aspect of your products or services. And when we start comparing to these sort of things, it is basically mm, uh, you'll try to develop a content which has got something like a moving images or some of the key factors which are present in your advertisements, which should be very much easier for your customer to have a recall or to have different aspects covering to your advertisements. And apart from that, we should also look at something called as the video ads. And When it comes to display advertising, the cost of the videos are slightly more expensive, but many of the companies think that it is really worth it, because platforms like YouTube and Instagram have made it convenient for the marketers to run video ads and attract a lot of attention and engagements. These are some of the ways where usually companies always tend to have these sort of attracting factors in it. And we can also see that display advertising always is a quite common thing, which you can observe in terms of the mobile devices apps, and even in case of social media application as well as games. If you consider some of the applications, they purposefully include ads in order to generate more revenue, if at all if they are offering the subscription for free of cost. So in those cases, it makes a lot of sense that companies always tend to mm, pursue across different aspects when we look at the display advertising. Usually, a typical digital advertisement consists of four important components. One is the copy, another one is the headline, third one is the media, and fourth one is the cost per click application. And most of the time, companies use these type of display advertisements with the aim of improving their brand awareness and the eye-catchy visuals, which always pay the way towards gathering the traffic. And apart from that, display advertising provides a bright future in terms of showcasing your creativity, efficiency, as well as having too much of personalized information, which would have an impact to a very greater extent. And a display advertisement is having enough potent inside it to reach to almost 90% of the global internet users. And when we compare to various other types of ads, these display ads are very less expensive when we compare in terms of the conventional platforms. And apart from that, we are also aware that in the current era, digital advertising has evolved as an excellent boon for the marketing industry. And if any companies are willing to run a business or of their own, or starting with a display advertising will indeed be the best choice, because it is one of the excellent as well as easiest way to create the engagement aspect without breaking some of your expenses, whether you are looking forward to generating leads or with respect to building a brand. These ads will pay the way towards achieving the desired results seamlessly. And apart from that, as an organization will also get to know about what exactly a display advertising is all about. And along with that, it also offers different set of aspects which are considered as key things that has to be incorporated while creation of any of the display advertising. And display advertising can always be spotted in different places, whether it is in a web page or whether it is in a social media. But end of the day, you have to use an attractive combination of text, images, videos, and gifs, so that you can able to create that sort of different image to it with respect to showing innovativeness in your ad, whichever you are trying to display. And these display advertising campaigns are usually charged based on the cost per click on basis, but whatever or whenever any person clicks on that ad, uh, you will be charged the amount solely based on the bidding strategy whatever you have used. And apart from that, uh, the bidding strategy will also be one of the key aspects with respect to display ads that are suitable for having something like retargeting campaign as well.